You mean the bolt?
No.
I
got a couple of bolts on that one the first one.
You mean the bolts are coming down?
I can hear you yelling on it, but it's fine.
You mean the bolts are coming down, Mommy?
Yeah, some are touching probably, Bob.
What?
He said some are probably touching the ground.
But how is that possible, Mommy? Then the ground would be on fire.
No, not necessarily. The ground's wet, baby.
What? Lightning probably dried it.
Whoa! Oh my lord, that was a crazy one.
I can't believe I didn't see that.
I have it on video.
You did?
Uh-huh.
After the one when I'm screaming, turn on to that one, please. I love these kind. Wow, this is rocking. Wow.
Crazy.
This is crazy.
I know, it's nuts.
Wait till you put this on Facebook. People are gonna watch it over and over and over and over and over and over.
You think so?
You want to put it on Facebook. What's Facebook?
Oh, buddy.
Who is a Facebook?
It's a website where you keep in touch with friends and upload your pictures and stuff.
Oh, and videos?
And videos, sure. You'll probably have Facebook when you get older.
So I can talk to Carl?
Sure.
I type to Carl.
Yeah. If he has a Facebook. Wow.
He'll get a computer and we'll be able to type on Facebook.
Awesome. Then you can Twitter with each other too.
What's Twittering?
It's microblogging.
What's microblogging?
Wow, it's just sending out like a simple little message to a bunch of people.
Oh, Twitter.
Like right now ours would say, watching the lightning and loving it.
How about lightning watch? How about light night? Light night. Yeah,
Late night. Late night.
Wow. You still have